Ooh, look at this. We have ourselves an equation with two variables on the same side of the equal sign, and they're the same variable. Boys and girls, this is called combining like terms. And if you see two variables on the same side of the equal sign, or two numbers or any like terms on the same side of the equal sign, combine them, don't think a second thought of it. Negative 4x take away negative 6x combines. Negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. So negative 4x's minus 6x's is negative 10x's. So the right side simply becomes that because you combine like terms. The left side is still negative 20. Now what we have is a one-step equation where negative 10 is being multiplied to x. See, x is not all alone. Not yet. Negative 10 is being multiplied to x. How do I get rid of multiplying negative 10? Do the inverse, which is divide negative 10. From both sides. So let's cross you out. Negative 20 divided by negative 10 is a negative divided by a negative, so it becomes a positive, and 20 divided by 10 is 2. So 2 equals x. Now you can box that in, and most teachers would be like, that's perfect, you're done. But some teachers would rather you put the x on the left side and the 2 on the right side. If 2 is x, then x is 2. It's all the same thing, but the purple circle is just a whole lot better than the black box.